I guarantee you've seen these all over your feed.
Guys, I actually did it. I'm in 1503. I found Leonardo da Vinci, and we are going to 2026 right now.
What are you thinking about?
Why is my Mona Lisa in Paris?
I've made a new discovery. I must write to Copernicus.
Leo, we're pulling 4Gs. Just hold on to your beard.
These AI celebrity videos are taking over TikTok and Instagram. Millions of views, viral growth, serious cash. I spent weeks reverse engineering their exact workflow. And the craziest part? You literally just type a few words and you instantly get every single image and video prompt for the entire project. Today, we're doing a full breakdown. How they make them, how they grow, and exactly how they monetize. Watch this. To get high-quality cinematic results, the secret sauce is having logically consistent prompts. To save you hours, I built a custom gem template. You just send it your base character photo and answer 3 quick questions: who the celebrity is, the overall vibe of the video, and the length of each clip. Boom. In under 60 seconds, you get every single image and video prompt you need for the entire project. I've left a link to this exact template down in the description, completely free for you guys to use. Next, grab the prompt for your first image, head over to OpenArt, and let's start creating. Now, there are a ton of models to choose from here. If you're not sure which one to pick, here's a quick comparison of the top contenders on screen. I highly recommend going with Nano Banana Pro. The results are way more stable. Let's generate our first shot. Upload your main character photo as a reference image, paste in that prompt we got from Gemini, and set your aspect ratio to 9:16, which is the perfect format for shorts and reels. Hit generate, and just repeat this process to build out the base images for all your scenes. All right, now take that first scene image and let's turn it into video. We're using the Kling 3.0 model for this. Pro tip here, make sure you keep the multi-shot feature turned on. This automatically creates dynamic camera angle switches, meaning even a short 5-second clip won't feel static or boring. Now, quickly jump back to Gemini, copy your video prompt for scene 1, paste it here, set your duration to 8 seconds, and crank the resolution to 1080p. Check out the result.
Guys, I actually did it. I'm in 1503. I found Leonardo da Vinci, and we are going to 2026 right now.
¿Qué diavolo? ¿Qué sucede?
From here, you just rinse and repeat for the rest of your clips. But wait, here's a crucial detail if you actually want to go viral. Almost every successful short has captions, because 80% of people scroll social media on mute, which means subtitles are one of the biggest secrets to keeping viewers engaged. So, we're going to import all of our generated clips into CapCut. Select them all, create a compound clip, head over to the transcript option, and auto-generate your captions. Before we dive into exactly how these channels are making money, let's take a look at the final result.
Guys, I actually did it. I'm in 1503. I found Leonardo da Vinci, and we are going to 2026 right now.
¿Qué diavolo? ¿Qué sucede?
It is a mountain built of perfectly flat ice and iron. How does it stand without flying buttresses?
It's glass and steel, Leo. Wait until you see what we keep inside it. He's been standing in front of the Mona Lisa for a long time, looking quite confused. What are you thinking about?
Why is my Mona Lisa in Paris?
Ooh. He spent years sketching flying machines, so I bought him a drone. He's been calculating its aerodynamics for 3 hours straight. Okay, he's trying to reverse engineer my car now, and I need to stop him before it explodes. Tell us who to bring next in the comments.
Well, a lot of people think that aside from the massive views, there's no real way to make money. But the truth is, their monetization strategy is way deeper than you think. Take Cosmina Maria Popa, for example. If you click the link in her bio, you'll see she has completely productized her entire AI workflow. She's selling a $354 video course, a $41 prompt structure guide, and an 80-pound workflow ebook. Do the math. If just 20 people buy that course in a single month, that's over $8,000, which means this exact video essentially just saved you $400. So hitting that like button seems pretty fair, right? But it proves a massive point. The real money isn't in the AI itself. It's in packaging your experience into something people are willing to pay for. And beyond courses, think brand deals. You can literally dress your AI character in a brand's new collection, all wrapped in a storyline with a great plot twist.
My dear, did your tailor abandon you halfway through?
Oh, this is a crop top.
A cropped mistake, and the rest of the fabric?
No, this is the trend now. Actually, I got it from Bibbo Shop.
Fascinating.
The audience gets an entertaining story, and the brand gets massive exposure. It's a native ad that spreads way faster than a traditional commercial. But at the end of the day, whether you're selling a course, landing sponsorships, or collecting AdSense, it all relies on one thing: stopping the scroll. In the AI video space right now, the rarest commodity isn't the technology, it's creativity. What if Beethoven tried on noise-canceling headphones?
Wow! How did you just shove the 100-piece orchestra back into my skull with 2 tiny pieces of plastic?
Welcome to 2026, Maestro.
And what if the Wright brothers flew on a budget airline?
Clearly, we didn't invent this thing just to fold ourselves up like sardines into a seat where we can't even straighten our knees.
That clash of historical figures and modern logic? It's pure viral gold. This applies to the production side too. This is exactly why I highly recommend mastering the multi-shot manual mode. When you dictate the exact rhythm of the camera, you control whether the viewer stays or leaves. And remember, retention beats resolution every single time. All right, that's the complete breakdown for today. If you want to see more cutting-edge AI video secrets and practical workflows, make sure you hit subscribe. See you in the next one.